it makes actually price action, technical analysis, okuwanga takyakola lwaki wabaddewo uncertainties nyingi bo analyzinga bilala n'akatale kakola byaki
byako. Hello everyone, this is Nyanzi from FXKampala, back again with Mr. Sewankambo Isma. You know, as he told us on a weekly basis, he's giving us his 15 minutes on the Forex trading free talk brought to you by FXKampala. So we have to utilize our 15 minutes. Mukulu Sewankambo, you're welcome to the free talk.
I'm very glad. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You know, these people are always asking me about where is Mukulu Sewankambo. These people are always inboxing me. Now I told them you're always at office at FXKampala. But now abanonya Mukulu Sewankambo temubuuzanzi. You look for him at FXKampala. It is in Najana Kumbi, or you can go to Google Map and search for FXKampala. Ojabo mutukako. So Mukulu Sewankambo.
Yes, please. Yes,
these people are always asking us questions, here and there. So I'm still having a variety of questions.
Okay.
But according to the time that we have, we shall break down some few, and in the Latuja Kuziraba, if time allows us, maybe next time.
Okay.
So we all know that we are ending this year, 2025. We are coming to 2026. Tunatera tugenda mbya kulonda abamu tugenda bera mu festive seasons bwe bityo nebirala. So these people are wondering, how do you summarize the forex market performance of this year 2025?
Thank you for such an amazing question. First things first, like always, I'm always glad to be here and for sharing. Remember bagamba aina yakola atya yayongerwako. Now, first things first, before I come to your question, I want to to thank all our viewers, all the people that have been following us. I will never to go all throughout the interviews that we tukola. The channel yafe ababadde in position of subscribing and everything. Every time we have come out to share content, ne muddayo ne mubi practicing ewaka. So in this time round, sijja bagamba kuba wishinga happy new year and all that, but rather to change your color, I'll just share a tip of advice and end of year message, and also teach you, learn you, right? How the forex market is, how we should do it, and the right way to go about it. First things first, just as you asked in the beginning, the overall summary of how this year has been.
Yes.
There is a lot that has happened this year. Bintu bingi nnyo ibadde mu guno omwaka. But to summarize it, okusokera that the market has been volatile. Volatile in a sense of so many things. One, the tariffs, the uncertainties in the macroeconomic uncertainties as well, especially with tariffs, as US between China, US, China, Japan, US, Japan. Wabadeo uncertainty tariffs change their rates. Then wabadeo macroeconomic shifts ezibadeo, macroeconomic interest rate shifts nazo zibadeo kugeza ya Japan badeo nendale zibadeo bwezito. Ekirala dollar egudde nnyo guno omwaka. The dollar has lost so much in value, in the sense that if we are to compare the percentage of how the dollar has dropped with twina index divided DXY, dollar index. Instead of saying it's the instrument, usually the DXY is responsible to measure or to account for the US dollar in relation with the other major currencies. That if the US dollar is doing badly, because when you look at the DX, is at least it has lost an overall about 10 to 11% this year, which is the worst record ever since 1970. So literally, the dollar has not been doing well.
Yeah.
Okay, the dollar has not been doing well. And again, if you look at it, if you look at the market itself, it's been down, it's been highly volatile. Okay, you can look at gold. Gold has made its greatest, has broken different records. Gold erinye, okay,
to the highest peak.
To the highest netuka ku 14 okay, nayenga as this year was beginning jalabanga yali ku 12 at almost erinye 51%.
Yes.
Atenga 50% ebaddewo just mu mwezi gutya gumu. Ochiraba?
Yes, yes.
That is it October? Right.
Yes.
October. Okay. So there is a lot that has happened this year, but the summary is it's been very, very volatile. Akatale kabadde volatile. That's what I can say about it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mukulu Sewankambo. And since the market has been volatile, what were the biggest market moving events of 2025?
Okay. One, the shift in tariffs, uncertainty shifts in tariffs by the US, that is the Trump administration. The shift. Two, yes, when you look at still the US, still the main man here, the greatest shifts in the Mokatale, that is the government shutdown.
Shutdown, yes, yes.
Government shutdown, eretedde nnyo buno butale okubeera volatile. Ekirala, there has been unexpected shift in interest rates. Interest rates zensi zonna wozitunuulira olaba nga zibadde uncertainty zishiftinze ezimu ku factors oba oliawo eziretedde akatale okubanga kamuvinga in the very sharp way possible.
Yes. Okay, now since you say so, which currency pair offered the best trading opportunities in 2025 and why?
Now, I would not say a specific currency pair, but once you generally look at all the currency pairs that are versed with the dollar, especially the major currency pairs.
Yes, major currency pairs.
They have all moved, okay? However, gold has broken records. When you look at gold they move in like ngawe nkunyonyodde
to its best.
Yes, ate ekirala dollar a drop in nnyo. Like ngaye mbanyonyine DXY a drop in to an equivalence of about decades nga dollar tegwangako bwetyo. And all this has happened this year.
Okay. So
the pair I can say that has moved that much is the XAU-USD, the twandiyise gold.
Gold.
Yes.
Yes. Hey. Okay. Tuyanza Mukulu Sewankambo. So you as a trader, what do you think were some of the challenges that traders faced in the year 2025?
One, NFP.
Yes.
For some months, NFP teriiwo.
Era
waliwo ne yambuuziza NFP sigiraba.
Yalazeewa.
Yaginoonyezza ate nga najja ne mbagamba nti NFP ebeerawo first Friday
of the month.
Ye nga tagiraba.
You know, these people, whenever they find something nechibula, they look at you, their mentors, and they're like, Sewankambo, NFP eriwa.
So NFP, ebadde disappointment y'amaanyi. Ekirala weba yaliwo ku Lwakumeka. Lwakuna. Okay?
And it came as a surprise to most traders.
Yaliwo ku Lwakuna. Question ebadde ki?
What were the biggest challenges traders faced 2025?
So NFP, ekirala, there has been quite a number of uncertainties. Muguno omwaka mbaddemu politics mungi. Ochegedde. Nti China erinye kino bino birinye bino. Ebyo ebintu bireetera uncertainties mu katale. In a way that it can make someone not, it actually makes the market not, it makes actually price action. Technical analysis. Okubanga takyakola lwaki wabaddewo uncertainties nyingi go analyzinga birala n'akatale kakola byaki byako. So this in a way osanga nga challenging aba traders abenjawulo oba osanga zizimu ku challenges oba oliawo ezibadde ez'amaanyi zetusurfaces this year.
Okay.
Yes.
And now you've been talking so much more of the USD, and how did the US dollar, if I may ask, how did it perform compared to other currencies, specifically the US dollar?
Generally, it's been slow. It's been slow. The US economy was doing badly. It actually, when you look at it, it almost lost something like 11% in the first quarter of this year.
Big loss.
First quarter. So it generally has done badly. However, at the moment it's still stabilizing, but it has done badly this year. Yeah.
So the US dollar totally badly.
Yeah.
Okay, now since we are Ugandans, of course we have to talk about our country. Looking at the political status of Uganda, politics ekute wansi ne waggulu. How do you think Uganda's elections will affect the forex markets?
Now, the Ugandan elections will, yes, this is something that we should not leave minus talking about, because one, we are in the country Uganda.
Yes.
Right? So there are certain things that may surface on ground, but again, may cause impact or may not cause impact. Now, election is a big thing. It's a big thing. So it's worthy talking about. Now, just that the elections may not affect the forex market. That is the first thing. Reason being, Uganda does not affect the forex economy. Because when you happen to look at the major currency pairs, you will see a few currency pairs, major currencies rather. You will see Euro, you will see JPY, USD, GBP, CAD, Aussie, Nendala. Temuli Uganda, if any of these is affected, then probably we may see the effect, or as traders we may be affected. But as Ugandans, and as a factor of the market, just as you have seen the impact of the US dollar in the market, we may not be affected. But waliwo factors ezimu ezijja ne elections okubaawo kwazo. Kugeza ng'okwekakasa kuyinza okwaffectingako abantu abamu, amasanyalaze okuvaako, kigedde. Amasanyalaze gavaako, of course, kigenda ku affectinga gwe nga tradinga. Bajjako internet kigenda ku affectinga gwe nga gwe na Uganda. Tojja ku tradinga nga waliwo political tension. Owulira? Tojja ku tradinga ng'ate owulira tear gas n'ebirala ebifaanaganako ebityo. So ebintu ebityo ffe nga ffe ba traders bisobola otu affectinga, but generally akatale kajja sigala nga bwe kali, tewali impact ejja kubaawo. Okay? So temweraliikirira, just that okujjako ebyo ebintu ebimu oba ekimu oba ebibiri byenjogeddeko, there are things at least by'olina okubeera cautious about, prepare earlier, n'oba nga at least obeera focused.
Okay, Mukulu Sewankambo, the would be last question, and tusaba ku suggestion you,
Yes,
what would be your predictions on the forex markets in the coming year 2026?
Now, 2026, we may not expect a lot, though change over next year, the daily turnover of the forex market may tend to increase, because this year, when you look at the daily turnover, we are $6.1 trillion traded in a single day.
Yes, 6.
So we expect to probably turn to $7.something trillion traded in a single day. So the daily turnover, we expect it to increase, because as more people embrace, join, okay, get to understand the business. So we expect the daily turnover to increase. Two, the US dollar is likely to stabilize this time round. Ebizibu byayo ebitegedde. Okay. Now kati bagenda kwetereza. Remember, they drive this.
Yes.
So in any case, if there is any challenge ebeerawo, especially in governance, especially mu politics, of course, chiba kya affecting a dollar, which
Okay.
dollar is one of the major currencies that we could take off for trading. So there's a likelihood until this time round the dollar is going to stabilize.
Okay.
Because some of the factors ezibadde zigireetedde okulinnya n'okugwa, uncertainties ezibaddewo ziyinza obutaddamu kubaawo. Ekirala, next year the likelihood we may expect also gold okustabilizing, because general akatale konna kayinza okubeera okustable. Okay, tetusuubiramu nnyo major moves. Fundamentally we don't expect so much of major moves. So I personally expect that the dollar is going to stabilize and we then trade in the normal way. NFP Komeo, everything now will be okay. This is what we expect.
Okay. Thank you, Mukulu Sewankambo. You know, we have to utilize our time, but according to what this command is telling me here,
yes,
so we highly appreciate for the time that you give us and the knowledge that you share to us. Members and followers who are out there following the Free Talk by FX Kampala, we continue to encourage you to subscribe kweno channel gamba mikwano njo gamba baganda bo bajje bafune ku information omugaso bwati n'abantu abagala to reach out to FX Kampala. We are going to put our contacts on this video. You can call us directly, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp. And the other people abadde bambuuza mwami Sewankambo aliwa mwami sinza mutereka mwami Sewankambo ali ku FX Kampala. If you need him, if you need his mentorship and anything from him, you will come to FX Kampala or call. You will get to talk to Mr. Sewankambo. Have a lovely festive season, lovely week, lovely day. Bye-bye.